Hello guys, welcome to my video again, and today video is about how I can get approval by Google Adsense. You can see this is the email history that I got many rejected from Google Adsense after I submit my site for review. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 times rejected from Google Adsense. So, and now my site is ready to display ad. I'm not sure for that, but I just trying to fix and trying to make something change, and then it's working for me, but I'm not sure it's will working for you too. If you go to the email detail, it's about thank you for submit your site, blah blah blah, and unfortunately your site isn't ready. Yes, the more reasonable that I can see in my AdSense account is low value content. It is for all the time low value content. So low value content, how to fix it? I try to post more and submit for approval and waiting, and then until I got 11 time rejection. And the last thing that I fix it is I go to my website and I add some widget, and then yes, I will show you my website. My website right now is have ad. Yes, you can see on that time my site is the same thing, and yes, it's the same thing. All is the same. Yes, this is all the same, but what I add is the bottom one is I add random post, because I think when Google go to my site to review, maybe they expect to see more content, so I put it more. Another thing, I try to post more content. Like this time I just have only 30 posts and still got rejected. I try to publish more posts, about 5 posts more, but it still got rejected. And then I try again. I don't care. I just want to share my idea. I just want to share what I can share. I just post more and more, and until I get 45 posts. After I get 45 posts, I submit to review, and then Google have surprised me by send me that my site is ready. Yes, let me see here. This email is very good news for me. I just want to share this experience because I think you might stuck on this also. So totally, let me press it again. To fix it, I think maybe you can go to review your site again to see the home page have enough information, and when we click on each menu, should be see some posts like this. Should not be empty. You must have at least 45 posts. This is my experience. Some people say it can cause by traffic, that people cannot reach your site. If your site is low traffic, maybe you cannot get approval too. But I think we can't say like this. Maybe it's combined with small problem like site issue or traffic issue, or your site is just have a little bit pauses. You need to post more, especially if you want to show your site to anyone can see it. You must to index your site to Google search. how to do that, I think you can search how to index to your website, or you can see my content. Let me find it. Index here, how to index website to Google faster. You can see another tutorial also. Here my site result on Google search is 46 results. Yes. Okay, for video today is going to the end, and thank you for watching this video. I think this experience will help you to solve your issue. Goodbye.